In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Saraceni wine discount promo code in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser right here and you'll have to search for Saraceni wine discount promo code. As you can see right here, we have some websites that you can use. Go to this one, which is called retailmino.com right here and open it. And as you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes and deals that you can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with 10% discount off site-wide, all you have to do right here is simply select show code from right here. And this is the promo code that you can use to get a discount. You can copy this promo code from right here and you can apply this promo code on the next purchase in order to get the discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called Noji, and you can open it. So as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that you can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this 10% discount promo code, which is also verified, you can simply select get this code from right here. And this is the promo code that you can copy from right here. And if you apply this one on your next purchase, you'll get that 10% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.